Amidst concerns about a lack of interest in Jamaica's history and culture, a call this evening for the government to continue the island-wide independence celebrations. Anthony Lugg explains.
The 2025 staging of the Grand Gala was arguably one of the biggest to date. Thousands flocked the National Stadium on Wednesday evening to celebrate 63 years of independence. However, Jamaica 2025 independence celebrations came in different forms and in different locations island-wide. For the first time, the government allocated $1 million to all constituencies to facilitate the process. And so, the country was buzzing with activities and festivities.
No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. Hey, put your hands together.
Over in St. Anne, it was a continuation of what obtained in previous years. The JCDC and St. Anne Municipal Corporation, Independence Concert, and fireworks.
Jamaica, this being independence, it shows that, who we are as a people. So it's part of our culture being displayed right here in Ocherous.
Independence wasn't given, it was earned, it was hard fought. So there is real reason to celebrate. When we contemplate that last year we were reeling from Hurricane Beryl, there's a lot to celebrate in terms of the recovery the country would have made, the community would have made. So for us, it's very important that we celebrate with our people here in Northeast St. Anne.
Now, independence celebration is in full swing here at the Ocherous Bay Beach. Now, for St. Anne, it's the 9th staging, but in some other parishes, it's the first, as the government moves to increase the celebrations across the island. Now, for some people, this move should have been done a long time ago.
It was so wrong and almost disrespectful to other parishes when celebration was only Kingston. It was wrong, it was disrespectful, because Kingston is not Jamaica. So how wonderful that the vision has expanded to our 13 parishes. I know I put Kingston and St. Andrew now one, right? So therefore it's 13, all 13 of us doing this, and in every nook and cranny there is that celebration, and I think it's fantastic.
That aside, complaints too about the lack of interest in Jamaica's culture and history, particularly among young people. However, radio host Jenny believes hope is not lost.
It's not dying. It's changing color. It can't die. It can't die because Jenny is here. It can't die because TVJ is here. It can't die because Jamaica Tourist Board is here. It will not die when we have events like this. It takes a different color because they're the TikTokers. And you're going to find that they're going to remix it and put it in their way. It's just going to have a different color, different look, but it's still our culture.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
Still to come this evening, poultry industry giants make major energy investment. And in business news, NCB's leadership seeks to allay fears of investors and customers. We'll be right back.